Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word stews. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. My grandmother makes the most delicious stews with a variety of vegetables and meat. Stews refers to a type of dish typically made by slow cooking meats, vegetables, and seasonings in liquid until they form a thick, flavorful mixture. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.